Coming at you today from 4859 Hilarita Circle in Tiburon West Subdivision in Pace, 32571. Let's get you a quick peek around the neighborhood. And let's head inside. This home was built in 2006. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 1,650 square feet. 0.16 acre lot, brick facade. Take a look inside. Okay. Here we are in our entryway. We've got these gorgeous wood laminate floors. Molding, wall-to-wall carpets in the bedrooms, storage or coat closet there. First thing to the right, beautiful archway. This is going to be your formal dining room. Lots of beautiful natural light. Big open living room. And kitchen overlooking. Tons of cabinet space. So you can see an island, stainless appliances, farmhouse sink, tons of natural light. Even have some plant ledges in the entry hall and that vaulted ceiling. There's our laundry and utility there. An extra linen closet and master bedroom. This is a split floor plan. An ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet at the far end there. Double vanity. Nice deep soaker tub. And walk-in shower. Heading back to the front where we began. Take a look at the additional bedrooms and second full bath. So here's our full bath. When you come in, shower tub combo. Got that same pretty laminate countertop throughout the home. Additional bedroom number 1. 2 pretty front windows. And a second additional bedroom currently being used by this owner as an office. Got the chair rail. Beautiful clean trim work. Cut across our living space one more time. Take a peek outside. The backyard, that's a nice sized double pantry there. Smooth as silk slider. Love that. Fully privacy fenced backyard. Nice open patio. Nice size. Got some accent or ornamental trees here. Not too much to maintain. So again, we're here at 4859 Hilarita Circle in Pace in the Tiburon West Subdivision. And we're excited for you to come have a look.